morning, Thela Wolf. Welcome to Wolf TV, a production of Thela Wolf Broadcasting Network. Buenos días, sí, la familia, y bienvenidos al noticiero Wolf TV. I am Daily. Y yo soy Joshua. Happy Monday, April 22nd. Feliz lunes 22 de abril. Please stand for the weather report. Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now back to our host.
Please welcome David for the weather report.
Good morning, Sila Wolves. Good morning, Sila Wolves. I hope you had a relaxing weekend. It's a chilly morning today. It's 46 degrees and mostly sunny. Later today, it will be 63 degrees and partly cloudy. Sunny condition expected around 4 o'clock. Now, back to our host.
Thank you for the weather report. Now, for the lunch menu.
Hi, it's me again. I hope you are hungry for today's lunch. Cherry blossom chicken, artisan roll, Carolina gold brown rice, steamed broccoli, seasoned mixed vegetables, fresh apple slices, and tropical fruit cup. Now back to our host.
Do you know what day it is today? It's Earth Day today. Earth Day happens every year on April 22nd. Earth Day demonstrates support for environmental protection. We will talk more about environmental protection this week. This week is College and Career Spirit Week. Today is Blue and Gold Day. Wear your school shirt or school colors. Tomorrow is Inside Out Day. Wear your clothes inside out or backwards. Today's positive affirmation is I can find peace inside myself. Today is the B-Day. I am Joshua. Y yo soy Daily. Have a great day, Sila Wolf. ¡Hasta luego!
See you later. After a while, crocodile. Like chop chop, lollipop. Out the door, dinosaur. Hasta mañana, iguana.